Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today to see what I am up to. I have a box that was so kindly sent to me, and this is the silver swag box. This is the second box that I received. I think I received, if I'm not mistaken, I have my cards here. I don't know if it was last month or the month before, honestly. It might have been the November box. I would assume this is the December box. I have not even opened the tape, so I'll slit the tape on this so that we can see. I will leave all their information down in my description box. I do have a little bit of information about Silver Swag. Okay, and this is how it comes packaged. If you would, oh, this is heavy. This is what it looks like. Let's leave it this way if I can. So Silver Swag is a fun lifestyle subscription box designed with seniors in mind. And this could really go to anyone, not just seniors, but that was their initial thought process. Inspired by the care packages we sent to older loved ones during the height of COVID. This company was founded by two sisters, Brandy and Ashley, and they created this box in October 2020, so they are 1 year young. Congratulations to both of you. And it was designed to help other busy families send love and stay connected all year long with family members that maybe they couldn't get to. Their boxes appeal to more than just the senior set. They have found that it's more like 30, 35 and up. Each theme box has a minimum retail value of $50 and includes an activity such as puzzles, puzzle books, games or crafts, home and or holiday decor, personal care or practical items, delicious and unique snacks, and they can be customized to accommodate allergies or dietary restrictions. That is so important. And a Stay Connected card designed to provide conversation starters to inspire families to bond and learn more about each other. Silver Swag is offered as a monthly box for $49.99, shipping included. And you do get a discount if you do the prepaid. And I think that's all the info I have from last box. I was so excited when they asked if they could send me another box. I said, absolutely. Let me just send this way this time. I have my little cutter. Let's just get into this and see what's in this box. I'm always excited for these. So these cards presents Baking Spirits Bright right here. And then this tells you what's inside your box. And this is, you know, just like a little advertising card. So we'll use this card because it does tell me what's in here. You won't see pricing and things like that on their little card, but that's fine. So I don't know if I can give you a little sneak peek of this before I start. Maybe I can go this way without knocking stuff out. Okay. Trying to go in between my lights here so that I don't knock stuff over. I don't know if I need this or not. I'll leave it there. So the first thing that I see, well, there's actually two. So we'll, by the same company, this is Mississippi Cheese Straw Factory. Sea Salt Caramel Cookie Straws. And then these are traditional cheddar cheese straws. And I am not going to be opening these. And these are good till 2022. The little Best Buy on the back. So these are really adorable. Yum, yum. Little crackers. We'll put them back there. Let's find them on here. So that's plus the holiday snacks. Mississippi Cheese Straw Factory Cheese Straws and Sea Salt Caramel Cookie Straws. Okay, so let's see what else. I see some other goodies in here. Ooh, what is this? Oh, I don't even want to take that out yet. Let's see what this is. Ooh. And I don't know how to say this company. I am so sorry. CHUAO. I have no idea. And that these are chocolate mini bars. Crispy honey gingerbread right here. And this one is crunchy candy canes. Love. That sounds good. We'll put that back there. Let's see what this is. So there's, oh, that looks nice. Oh, great. I always use these. Oh, and it's one of those ones, it's a pot holder. Baking Spirits Bright. That's a nice pot holder. It's like a rubber back. And I love when they have the little hand that you can put your hand in. I am forever getting burnt. It's not like if it's a big meal. I mean, it's a simple meal, I'm not. But like I got burned on my finger at Thanksgiving. I went to go pull foil off and my finger hit the top rack. I was like, does this ever stop? So this is from the Spotted Zebras. I love these pot holders. So let's see what it says here. Celebrate your holiday baking style with the festive pot holder. I love that. I need new pot holders. So it's like they knew that I needed that. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, we got this little right here. Whoops. So it's a little package right here. This is from Roeda Studios, R-O-E-D-A Studios, Winter Tree Magnet. That's cute. Let's open that up. Can't get my fingers in there today. And it does have a little bit of glue on it to hold it, but there's little magnets on the back. So if your refrigerator or oven or something like that, mine does. My refrigerator is magnetic. My oven, I don't think so. But that's a little cute little addition. I only put a few like on the side. I don't put them on the front. That would annoy me, but that's adorable. I like that. What else is in here? What is this? Michael Design, oh, not Michael. It's probably Michelle. Design Works for every room in the house. This is Spruce Mini Foaming Shea Butter Hand Soap. It's always great to have. Let me see if I can get a smell the scent. No, I can't smell it. So here, luxurious scented hand soap contains shea butter and aloe for cleansing and moisturizing, and that's really nice. Like this little seal is adorable. Like how classy. Like a little bougie sitting on my bathroom. I like that. Just trying to get some of these out of the way. There's like a ton of these little things. So we have a candle from Baking Spirits Bright. No, that's not the company. Mallory Candle Company Sugar Cookie Soy Candle right here. You can see the size of that. Handcrafted with all natural ingredients. This candle will fill your home with fresh baked aromas. I have to be careful with burning candles. Ooh, that smells really nice. Ooh, I like that. I had them behind me. I have them away right now. Just trying to get a few things out for the holiday. That smells really nice. Like I said, soy might be okay, but I have to be careful. What is this? This is a huge, huge bag right here. And this is from Dr. Pete's Chocolate Chewy Squares Mix. I don't want to open that and destroy it. Let me see if I can. Oh, sneeze. Yeah, I'm not going to untie it because it's like knotted, and we'll just leave it in there. It is a bag, so it is a mix. Let me just kind of fix that bow. Okay, so this is tells you all your instructions on the back of the little enclosed card. And this just to add butter, vanilla, and 2 eggs for a homemade sweet treat to fill your fancy pans and take to your next gathering. So there must be a pan in here too. Oh, yes, there is. Okay, how am I going to do this? Let's get the card out of the way. Just trying not to have all these little things go all over the place. Make sure that's good. So here is a little plastic, and this is from Fancy Pans. You can see it. Let me see if I can slide this off without destroying it. I don't know if I can. It always comes off easier one way. So this is nice. I like this. Look at this. It comes with the aluminum. Lift the tab. Let's see when it comes with a little spoon. Let's see if I can open this. Okay. So your lid comes off. There is like a really nice spoon in here. That's nice. And then there's an aluminum pan, which you can buy these. I would assume that this comes up for cleaning. Let me see. Yes, so here there's a little tab you lift up right here. And you can buy these, you know, I can get them at our dollar store. I think 3 for $1, 4 for $1. We have tons of these because these are great to use in the oven. Put it in, close up, and reseal it, and then your product is in there with, you know, whatever. scoop out if you don't need the scoop, but then you can put the lid on for travel. That's phenomenal. I don't know if there's a little indent, like a couple little marks on there, so I would assume that's where the little tab goes. Oops, there's stuff everywhere. And then everything's right in the pan. Like, you take this, and if you like holiday party, office party, bonus, 1 foil pan and serving spoon included. Even for brownies, you could pre-cut them and use that to scoop out. 8x8 foil pan. But they're showing you other ideas there that you could, you know, if you were taking chicken, coleslaw, baked beans, like anything. That's really nice. I like that. It's a great idea. I could use that for Thanksgiving, but I didn't go anywhere. I probably wouldn't have used it. Dress up and protect your foil pan at the next potluck or holiday gathering with fancy pans. Made in the USA, BPA-free, dishwasher safe. Well, the pan, you know, throw away, unless you can easily clean it. But this is dishwasher safe. That's nice. I love this. So we have the pan. We have the chocolate chewy square mix. I'm excited for that. The beautiful hand soap. The beautiful smelling candle. Get that back in there somehow. We have the little tree magnet. Very thoughtful and nicely curated. The wonderful pot holder. I'm excited for that. Plus we have the 2 little chocolate mini bars right here. That's always good. And then these, which these are delicious. I don't know if you guys, I haven't tried this brand, but I love these. Sea salt and caramel is probably my favorite. The cheese I have to watch. I just, you know, with all the cheese products. But that is everything. And it has everything right on the little card. This is a great December box for being, you know, the holiday. Oh, I got these things everywhere now. For being December box, you know, with holidays, regardless, anybody could use this box. But imagine sending this to an elderly, you know, grandmom, grandpop, even your mom, it doesn't have to be elderly, that does not live, that you can easily visit, to send this cute little box, an aunt, a friend. I mean, there's just endless possibility. Yourself, I would love to get this, even if I bought it myself. What a great, unique box. That's what I love about Silver Swag. I loved my last one, and I love this one. Very unique. I'm not seeing all these items in other boxes. That's why I love Silver Swag so much. So I will leave all their information in my description box, a click and go link to go check them out. I just think they're a phenomenal company. Like I said, 2 sisters started this a year ago and are still going strong. So I'm so happy to help them out by promoting their box. I'm grateful for them sending me out another box. I hope you all have a good holiday, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.